Ladies and gentlemen, haha niho tukinyete andu a Murang'a. Tukinyete haha Murang'a guys, arumia Murang'a andu a gwitu. Haha niho tukinyete. Tumefika hapa Jesus. Haha niho tukinyete andu aitu. A 17-year-old girl. A 17-year-old girl. Agetwo ni andu ageithanie handu akihituka. Akanyitwo agaikio agathii akahithwo akaripwo na mataiganitie gukoma nake makamukururia faraini agakururio agakururio na arakururio ni andu makacoka makamuikia ngari irageria gwethwo ndagika ino ndiranyitikana mwana wene akahia egutura. She's 70, only 17 years. You raped her. Somebody from Murang'a. Na ni mwewe munacoka munakururia mwana wene farafaraini ngari kundu iraruta mwaki akahea mukamucina mato magathira gutuku mwene guthiru biu agacoka agacinwo nyondo. A 17-year-old girl kinya nyondo ndari mwena umwe. Haha niho turi andu aitu mahindi makoimira nja agikururio nigetha ateo mburaini so that there will be no evidence ya kwamba ameshikwa, wamembaki, wamemfanya hivyo. You thought you are killing her. She is alive. She is alive. She is not dead. And I know kayena mufango mwega iguru ria kairetu gaka. I do not know her. Detherera kinyanyina them. I have the mother here. Dametherera. I have just called Betia Sawa and she is right here with me. Murang'a ti andu kunyitwo, atumia kunyitwo. Ni kwaga muragire muhiki munene unginyita muiguithanie ukome nake. A young girl at 17, a young girl right now, as we talk, she has undergone 3 surgeries, major 3 surgeries in hospital. Right now, Torogo Kogweta Gwatia, Santa Moa Hospital in Keno. This is where we are. Mwanoya keto operation idato naniare kwa more operations. She has gone through 3 surgeries and she's still to go through more. Hahane hotole. They raped her. Manamukururia farafara kudokodo gariro imagamuaki manamutiga maine motaroine famwe maine. You thought you'd kill her, but God has the best plans for her. Somebody somewhere in Murang'a. Ladies and gentlemen, I came for a funeral in Murang'a. On my way back to Nairobi, I'm told okawa gojiri okai tusemanie Ken